Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Past. Thanks for tuning in. Now today we've got some truly groundbreaking news coming out of Russia, and if you're someone who's been touched by cancer or know someone who has, this might really blow your mind. Russia has developed its very own cancer vaccine. Yep, you heard that right, a cancer vaccine. And here's the kicker, they're planning to make it available to people for free. I mean, this could change everything, right? So in today's video, we're going to dive deep into how this vaccine works, why it's such a big deal, and what it could mean for the future of cancer treatment. Let's get into it. But first, let's back up for a second and talk about why this cancer vaccine is so important and how it's different from anything we've seen before. Because trust me, there's a lot to unpack here. So Russia has officially unveiled a new vaccine designed to fight cancer. Now, when we think of vaccines, we usually think about things like the flu or, more recently, COVID-19. But this vaccine, well, it's in a league of its own. It doesn't just target a virus. It actually aims to prevent cancer by training your immune system to recognize and fight cancer cells before they even have the chance to develop into tumors. Crazy, right? And here's what makes it even more fascinating. The Russian government is planning to distribute this vaccine for free. Yep, they're offering it to the public without charging a single ruble, which is huge when you consider how expensive cancer treatments can be. So imagine this, a vaccine that could potentially save millions of lives. And it doesn't come with a massive price tag attached. That's pretty revolutionary, especially when you consider that cancer treatments like chemotherapy, radiation, and even some new therapies can cost tens of thousands of dollars. And not everyone can afford that. But wait, let's dive a little deeper and talk about exactly how this vaccine is supposed to work. Because honestly, this is where things get really interesting. Alright, so here's the science, and stick with me here, because it's a bit complex, but I promise it's super interesting. So this cancer vaccine works by stimulating the body's immune system to recognize abnormal cells that could eventually turn into cancer. Basically, it's teaching your immune system to be on the lookout for cells that are behaving a little, well, suspiciously. Think of it like a kind of early warning system for cancer. In simpler terms, the vaccine helps your body's natural defenses, your immune system, spot these problematic cells before they can form full-blown tumors. And this is a big deal, because right now most cancer treatments only kick in after the cancer has already developed. It's reactive, not proactive. But with this vaccine, the idea is to stop cancer before it even starts. Can you imagine how that could change the game? Now, what's even more incredible is that this vaccine isn't just about prevention. While it's being designed to help people who are healthy avoid cancer, it's also being tested as a treatment for people who already have cancer. Yeah, you heard me so. People already diagnosed with cancer could potentially use this vaccine as part of their treatment plan to help their immune system fight off the disease. It's a two-in-one punch, prevention and treatment. Initially, the vaccine is being targeted at certain types of cancer, like breast cancer, lung cancer, and melanoma. But the researchers are working on expanding it to other cancers too. So it's not just about one type of cancer, but a broader approach to treating the disease overall. The researchers used advanced technology to create a vaccine that targets specific proteins found on cancer cells. This way, the immune system can accurately identify and attack the cancer cells, while leaving healthy cells alone. That's a huge deal, because a lot of cancer treatments, like chemotherapy, can end up damaging healthy cells along with the cancerous ones, which causes all those terrible side effects we know about. Now, imagine the global impact if this vaccine works as promised. Every year, millions of people are diagnosed with cancer, and we all know the financial burden it can put on individuals, families, and even entire healthcare systems. Cancer treatment is ridiculously expensive, and not everyone can afford the high costs of chemotherapy, radiation, or even the newer treatments that are out there. So Russia's decision to offer this cancer vaccine for free is, well, pretty groundbreaking. It could give people from all walks of life, especially those in lower-income countries, a fighting chance against this deadly disease. And we're talking about more than just Russia here. We're talking about the entire world. The idea of a free vaccine for cancer prevention and treatment could have massive implications for global health. Imagine a world where people don't have to go bankrupt to get life-saving cancer treatment. Imagine a world where cancer is no longer an automatic death sentence, because people can take action before the disease even begins. Now, of course, we're talking about a vaccine that still needs a lot of testing. But the potential is there, and if this works, it could lead to a whole new model for cancer care. One that focuses on prevention first and foremost, and makes sure that everyone, no matter their income, has access to the treatment they need. So how is this vaccine actually going to be distributed? Well, here's the plan. The Russian government has said that they're going to make it available through the public healthcare system, which means that it'll be free for anyone who needs it. This is a big step in terms of healthcare equity, because it means that even people who don't have a lot of money won't have to worry about paying for this potentially life-saving treatment. But here's the thing, the global distribution is a bit more complicated. While Russia is offering the vaccine domestically, there's no guarantee that it'll be available worldwide right away. Other countries will need to approve the vaccine through their own regulatory processes, which can take time. Still, there's a lot of hope that, once the vaccine proves itself in clinical trials, it could be shared with other nations in need, particularly through international health organizations or public-private partnerships. Of course, this kind of breakthrough has sparked a lot of reactions. On one hand, medical experts and scientists are excited about the potential of this vaccine. They're saying that this could be a huge step forward in cancer research and treatment. The idea that we could one day vaccinate against cancer is honestly pretty mind-blowing. But on the other hand, there are some who are a little more skeptical. They're saying, hold on a second, we need to see more data before we get too excited. And I get it, developing a new vaccine, especially for something as complex as cancer, is no small feat. So experts are calling for more rigorous clinical trials and peer-reviewed studies to make sure that this vaccine really works and doesn't have unexpected side effects. There's also some concern about how this could impact the global pharmaceutical industry. Let's be real. Cancer treatment is a huge market, and a free vaccine could disrupt a lot of big players in the healthcare sector. But if it works, it could mean a future where cancer is no longer such a financial burden on individuals and healthcare systems worldwide. So what's next for this cancer vaccine? Well, Russia's researchers are still in the process of refining the vaccine and conducting larger clinical trials. It's going to take time before we can fully understand its effectiveness and safety. But if it proves to be successful in these trials, we could see this vaccine being rolled out in more countries, potentially leading to a global revolution in cancer care. But again, we're going to need more studies, more testing, and most importantly, more time to really know how well this works. To wrap it up, Russia's cancer vaccine could represent a huge shift in how we think about cancer treatment and prevention. It's a story of hope, innovation, and most importantly, accessibility. If this vaccine lives up to its promises, it could pave the way for a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence for millions of people around the world. What do you think? Could this vaccine change the future of cancer treatment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for joining us today on The Daily Past. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future updates. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and keep watching The Daily Past.